What's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is a van build update. Haven't done one in a while. It's been slow going because we're not using the van for like camping and living circumstances at the moment. But anyway, I've still always working on it and still want to show you guys what I'm doing in the van. So let's take a look inside. All right, so first up, got some brand new seat covers in here. These are actually hard to find. I got them on Amazon, but just finding the right size for the seats was the tricky part. And then you'll see here some armrest covers that I'm testing out on here. Weird thing is seat covers don't come with armrest covers. So imagine that. So I got these because they had the little pocket and they seem to be the biggest ones that I could find. So just put them on here. Really had to stretch them out to make them fit, but it works. Just got this brand new steering wheel cover. Just put that on there the other day. Pretty cool. Now the biggest thing is our refrigerator that is hooked up in the van, and it does work. So you can kind of see it's an ARB. Got the controls here. You can set your temperature with these controls. Of course, on, off right there. And inside our fridge, you can see right back here is where it's plugged in. Cord runs from back there all the way down through here, up and over. We got a little hookup switch to our fuses, or connectors, not the fuses. These are just connectors. And all the way around. This was the only way that this fridge, I was gonna get the connection made without wires all in the floor back there in the back. So all the way around, back there, all the way across, over, come down into this conduit here to protect the wires. And then we got more conduit. So it's back here behind the bed, all the way down. You can't see it right here because there's some conduit right there. Goes over the little hump right there and down at the very bottom. You can't really see it because there's a conduit below this one right here that the cord is actually going through, and then back there to the back to the fuse box. Other than that, I mean, just basically just doing a bunch of touch-up work in the van, staining this wall right here, the bottom half of that wall, getting the stain put on there. Putting some more layers of stain here on the countertop. And this is the stain that I'm using for that, this waterproofing wood finish. Now this bottom portion of the bed where the storage is stained with hemp oil. And it's probably hard to tell. along with the shelf there, all stained with hemp oil. And this is the hemp oil I'm using to stain that with. Daddy Van's all natural hemp oil wood finish. So got this off of Amazon as well. This also took a little bit of time to find, actually. So I don't know. It just showed up in a suggestive list of things in an email that Amazon sends out. So I'd never found this before until that. So I don't know. Amazon's really weird like that, I guess. Or maybe they got this in before. Or not before, but after I had done my search. So other than that, not too much going on. Just, you know, I drive the van every day. It's my regular vehicle. We're just not living in it currently. And looking to do camping soon. It's actually been really hard to work on the van because if you've seen one of my most recent videos, Eating Vegan with Dory, comes to a close, then you'll know that our dog, my wife and I's, our dog Dory, recently passed away. And she was really special dog. She wasn't like any other dog I've ever had. She was had her own personality, just like any other dog, but she was weird, and she was special, and she had her own story. You know, she lived on the streets for a while. She lived at the clinic where I got her for a long time. She'd been in foster homes and other potential people who tried to adopt her and for whatever reason didn't keep her. So working on the van is it's been hard because it's kind of like what's the purpose? Part of the joy of doing it was so that we could take Dory on adventures and just show her things, show her the world outside of what she knew. So with that said, I'm gonna close this video out and see you next time. So thanks for watching. You're awesome.